All right, we are continuing unit rate. You might want to pause the video and get this chart down. You do need it in your notes. You can use a couple different color pens today, but it doesn't matter if you do or if you don't. All right. So you should have this chart down by now, and we're just going back to what we were starting in class. So when you're finding unit rate, you need to first turn these into a fraction. So $3.60 over 30 ounces. If we want to find the unit rate, we want to find the price of just 1 ounce. So I have 30 ounces. I need to turn this into 1 ounce. What do I divide the top and bottom by? You divide by 30. So 30 divided by 30 is 1, and then 36 divided by 30 0.12. So that means that this is 12 cents for 1 ounce. All right, you can pause the video and try these three, or you can listen along as I go through them. All right, the next one, same thing. Turn this into a fraction. $5.20 for 40 ounces. Unit rate means we need 1 in the denominator. We have a 40 in the denominator, so you divide the top and bottom by 40. 40 divided by 40 is 1. $5.20 divided by 40 will give you $0.13. Put a box around your answer. Dole is 13 cents for 1 ounce. All right, now we have $4.07 for 37 ounces. Same thing, we're still dividing to get unit rate. End up with 1 ounce in the denominator. Dividing the top and the bottom by 37. And you should end up with $0.11. All right, and then the last one is $3.75 over 25 ounces, and then same first step. Trying to get 1 ounce in the denominator, you're dividing the top and bottom by 25. All right. You're going to copy these 2 questions down in your notes. I'll take a second. You can pause it. All right, cool. All right, order the juices from cheapest to most expensive. So the cheapest was the one that was 11 cents, right? It's Minute Maid. The next cheapest was 12 cents, which was Tropicana. The next one was Dole. And then lastly, our most expensive one was V8. Next question asks, which was the best value? Best value means cheapest, right? So, Minute Maid. All right, page 1 of 2 is done. All right, so now we're going to be talking about cross products. You don't have to have a fancy title like this. You can just draw a title. These are the 2 definitions we need down. We talked about proportions. It's 2 fractions set equal to each other. And cross products. Cross products is when you use cross multiplying in proportions. 2 definitions you need down. You're going to need them for your assignment later. All right. So so now let's talk about this problem. So we're talking about solving for x in proportions. So let's get our steps written out. All right. Step 1. Cross multiply. Alright, so cross multiplying. Oopsies. I have 2 times 5x plus 4. So that's 1 cross multiplying. And then on the other side, I have 12 times x minus 1. Notice how I'm using parentheses, you should be 2. What goes in the middle between these two? Equal sign. Alright, now we're at step 2. Distribute. Put an exclamation point. Alright, 2 times 5x, 10x, 2 times positive 4, positive 8. Bring down the equal sign. 12 times x, 12x, 12 times negative 1, negative 12. Step 3, isolate x. Isolating x means you need to get it by itself. So we're going to move all of our x's to one side. It doesn't matter which side you pick. I'm going to start off by subtracting 10x on both sides. So when I subtract 10x over here, they cancel. And when I subtract 10x over here, I only subtract from the 12x, right? You can't do negative 12 minus 10x, 12x. One's a regular number, one is a variable. 12x minus 10x, 2x. Anything that did not cancel, I'm rewriting. Alright, now I have 8 equals 2x minus 12. There's no more x's over here. I moved them all over here. So now I have to move my regular numbers to the other side. The opposite of minus 12 is plus 12. Two x stays the same. Minus 12 and plus 12 cancel. 8 plus 12 is 20. Equal sign stays. Alright, I'm still not done with this step of isolating x, right? What's attached to this x? A 2. And it's attached by multiplication. Opposite of multiplication is division. These twos cancel. I'm left with an x equals 20 divided by 2, 10. So cross products has 1, 2, 3 steps.